Hey everybody, my name is Chris Bystead here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. This is a really fantastic trailer I have to show you. It is the Heritage Glen 271RL, arguably their most popular floor plan. This is a really awesome trailer. I think you're going to love the inside. Let's come on and take a look. This coach has got so many great features, but I just got to tell you, when you walk in the door, the first thing that you just are really aware of is how much space there is in the main living area. That's because this has double slides. So you've got an entire kitchen slide on your left, a entire super slide with theater seats and a really nice booth that all is in a slide there. When they both slide out, that gives you so much room on the inside. You also have this wonderful island, which, you know, it allows people to have more counter space. They can cook together without cramping somebody's lifestyle a little bit. It gives you more storage. So what a beautiful trailer this is. Starting in the kitchen, you're going to notice a big refrigerator, freezer. Moving right along, you've got a recessed microwave, lots of counter space, extra cupboards and drawers. You've got a Furrion fan and oven system that gives you the fan and light over the hood, 3-burner cook stove with backsplash, a drawer underneath for pots and pans, which you just don't see in trailers very often, which is really nice. Next to that, you're going to have an entertainment system wall, so it's going to have a large Sensui TV, a Jensen stereo that has zones for the outdoor speakers as well as the indoor speakers, AM, FM radio, Bluetooth, all of that all ready to go for you. The TV can telescope around and you can see it from all over the coach. You also have underneath it a 32-inch gray stone electric fireplace. It's beautiful. You can change colors, it heats, and it's pretty neat when you're paying to park somewhere that you're not having to use your propane to warm it up on the inside. It's really nice. You're going to see a sofa in the back that makes out into a full hide-a-bed to sleep a few extra people. The theater seating by Thomas Paine, very comfortable. It reclines. The dinette, all of this is in more of a marine grade fabric. It's a little bit more conducive to having pets or spills. You know, a lot of times when we go camping, we're not the cleanest and people are not the cleanest and they eat inside the living area and they sometimes spill. This is going to clean up and stay beautiful looking for years. It does have kind of a buffet area, and so there's a place to put dishes and glasses and even set things like Instapots, coffee pots, Keurigs, all that stuff, toasters, whatever it is that you've got, an air fryer. You've got a place to put them all right here with storage doors underneath. Moving right along to the bathroom, you're going to see a walk-in shower, plenty of storage for everything that you need. It's really a nice sized bathroom for a couple people. And this is going to be a trailer that I envision. Usually it's going to be 2 to 4 people, probably staying in here no more than 6. You're going to see in the front bedroom, there's actual queen size bed with cabinets on both sides to hang your clothes, and with a drawer and a place for a CPAP. You've got connections for USB throughout this trailer as well as power. And this one also has a nice closet in there for extra storage and for hanging items, as well as a front window and storage under the bed. So as you see, this might be the perfect trailer for you. Rest assured that we've got them in a few different floor plans, a little bit shorter, a little bit bigger. We've even got bunkhouses. I'm sure we've got the right trailer to fit your family. I'd love to help you find that perfect trailer and get this done for you so you can go enjoy camping this summer. So give me a call. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.